Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's sign. This is April mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus, it's sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on, Taurus? It's sign. Knight of Swords. Someone is rushing to communicate with you. And Two of Wands. I think you are thinking about them a lot, and this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Maybe one person in this connection having options. So let's see your reading recent past. Six of Swords, Eight of Swords, Wheel of Fortune. I think you are feeling stuck in recent past. Eight of Swords energy. Yes, you are unable to make any more. Maybe yes, you are feeling stuck and you want to communicate something to your person, but you are unable because Six of Swords communication, but you are feeling stuck. And Wheel of Fortune, maybe you are waiting for right time, because this time you are not feeling well and you are not making any move. Literally you are not feeling well, feeling stuck. That was past, but you received some communication from your person, and but you are unable to answer. Maybe you are unable to communicate with them properly, whatever. So then present Two of Cups, the Fool and Devil. Capricorn, the person involved in this connection could be. So Two of Cups, this love is mutual. There is mutual love between both of you. And the Fool, I think one person is obsessed with the other person in this connection. Maybe one person is addicted to some bad habits. This love is mutual for sure. Maybe your person want to take leap of faith. Maybe in past they're obsessed with you. Maybe they're in and out of your life. Now they want to take leap of faith. Maybe you are obsessed with them. Maybe this obsession causing resistance in this connection, but it is temporary. But I'm seeing some changes in future energies. Ace of Wands, the Sun and Ace of Pentacles. Definitely there is some positive changes are coming in this connection. Ace of Wands, you both are very passionate about each other and you both want passionate new beginnings. For some children also involved in this connection, and there is some positive happiness and positive shift is coming with Sun with Ace of Pentacles. This is a long term commitment. This is not a short term. I think your person want to marry you and you also want to marry them. A long term commitment is coming, and your finances also, there is financial stability is coming in your finances. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but lot of air energy. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Tower. Maybe your person right now undergoing some Tower moment. So let's see their feelings towards you, Taurus. Ten of Pentacles. Page of Cups, Justice, and Page of Pentacles and Ace of Swords. They want to communicate with you. Maybe they are in and out of your life. They hurt you in past, but now they want to apology to you, and there is some communication is coming. For some, those who are in separation, they want second chances with you, Justice. And the person involved in this connection could be Libra. So they're thinking about to communicate with you an apology is coming, and they want to offer stability to this connection. Their feelings are good. So let's see their intentions, Taurus. Maybe your person is very immature. I think children's also involved in this connection. 2 cards I am not taking. Okay. Knight of Pentacles. This person looking, this time they very serious about you. 7 of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, 3 of Swords and Queen of Wands. Yes, they want to take action, but right now your person feeling heartbroken and they're feeling very, very sad without you. Maybe those who are in separation, for some there are some disturbances between both of you. For that your person feeling very, very hurt. And Knight of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles. There is some text is coming. There is some communication is coming, Taurus. And your person want to come back to you. There is no doubt. They want to take this relationship to next level. But they're in very, very slow process. First they are waiting for something. Maybe they're waiting for you to take action. If that not possible, then they will make a move towards you, Knight of Pentacles. But this time they're very serious about you. Knight of Pentacles is stability. They really want to offer stability and they're sincere. Yes. Maybe for some it will take so much time, but their intentions are definitely want to make a move towards you. If they don't receive any call or any move from your side, definitely they will make. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Lord of Earth energy. Lord of Earth energy. Yes, communication. Why they are taking their time? 2 of Cups, you both are soulmates for some and this love is mutual. So yes, they want to communicate with you, they're in rush, but they're feeling stuck. That's why they're taking, maybe they're waiting. They're feeling stuck right now. I think you also in recent past, you feeling stuck. Yes, they're stuck on you, they're thinking about you a lot. They will make action very soon. Lot of air energy. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra. For some third party situation also involved in this connection. And yes, communication, lots of communication is coming. I think you also undergoing some healing process, Taurus. You are healing yourself, doing meditation. And 3 of Cups, you also want reconciliation. And 8 of Wands energy, there is lots of communication is coming. In the near future, there will be back and forth communication between both of you guys. And yes, there is 10 of Cups, reconciliation, and you both want the same thing in this connection. And 4 of Wands, wow, definitely there will be some, most of you, there will be reconciliation for you both guys, because 10 of Cups with 4 of Wands, reconciliation is coming. Maybe it is a slow process, but surely there will be some communication and there will be some reconciliation for some. Definitely for some, there will be reconciliation. Others, it depends on your situation between you and your person. Yes, right now your person feeling stuck. That's why it is a late process, very, very slow process. But they will take action soon. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Taurus. And a lot of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And they want to say apology also, some message, communication. It's time to release negativity, full moon in Scorpio. And your hard work is paying off, new moon in Capricorn. Emotions are running high under the deck. So your hard work is paying off. If you are doing hard work towards your goal consistently, definitely your hard work will pay off in near future, definitely. And it's time to release negativity, full moon in Scorpio. So if you are thinking about your person or about this relationship negatively, so you have to release those thoughts and negativity, especially full moon in Scorpio. So Taurus, this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.